Hi everyone, welcome back to Modentum. If you're preparing for the CELPIP exam, today's video is about CELPIP email writing. There are a few points that you must keep in mind while writing CELPIP email. These are: understand the task, plan before writing, email structure, tone, formal informal, word count, content, language and grammar, expressions, time management, and last but not least, golden rule. Understand the task. You'll get an email prompt with 3 bullet points. Your job is to cover all 3 points clearly. If you miss even one, your content score drops. Plan before writing. Don't jump straight into typing. Quickly outline. Greeting, purpose, introduction, paragraphs, covering bullets, and closing line plus sign off. Email structure. Always use a format. Number 1, greeting like, Dear Mr. Smith, Hi John. Number 2, introduction, state your purpose right away. Number 3, body paragraphs, each bullet point gets its own mini paragraph. Number 4, closing line, be polite and show expectation for a reply. And at last sign off with, sincerely, best regards, take care. Tone. Your writing tone is very important in CELPIP test. There are 2 types of writing tones. Number 1, formal tone. Number 2, informal tone. Formal tone, if writing to a manager, company, professor, government office. Then, use polite, professional language. Avoid contractions, I am not I'm. Give example, like, I would appreciate it if you could. Informal tone, if writing an email to a friend, relative, or colleague. Then, use casual, friendly style. Can use contractions, I'm, I've, we'll. Example, I can't wait to see you soon. Bonus tip, always match the tone to the situation. Wrong tone equals lower score. Word count, CELPIP email should be between 150 to 200 words. Less than 150 words equals weak content. More than 200 words equals risk of making mistakes. The safe zone of writing email is 170 to 180 words. Content, you should answering all bullet points. Each bullet point is worth marks, so don't merge them into one long paragraph. Use details, reasons, and examples to make it realistic. Instead of writing, I need information about the hotel. Write, I would like to know whether the hotel provides free airport pickup, as my flight arrives late at night. Language and grammar tips, use a variety of sentence types, simple, compound, and complex. Use connectors like, firstly, in addition, however, finally. Be careful with articles, a, an, and the. Use correct tense, past, for past events, future, for plans, present, for general facts. Avoid spelling mistakes. Even small errors like improper spacing reduces score. Time management, you will get 27 minutes to write an email in CELPIP test. Manage your time efficiently. Use 2 to 3 minutes to plan outline. 20 minutes to write email including intro plus 3 bullet points plus ending of the mail. Give 3 to 4 minutes to revise grammar, spelling, word count. Common mistakes. There are few mistakes that CELPIP takers do while writing an email. The most common are writing too short, that is under 150 words. Missing one of the bullet points. Mixing tone starting formal, ending casual. Overusing simple sentences, which makes writing weak. Forgetting greeting or signing off. Golden rule for CELPIP email writing: clear structure, plus all 3 bullet points, plus correct tone, plus polite closing, equals high band score. And that's it. These CELPIP writing tips and tricks will help you structure your email task. Stay confident and score higher. Right finger if you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Modentum for more CELPIP strategies and practice videos. Also, drop a comment if you want me to make a video with sample emails. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your CELPIP test.